Good afternoon, bushwhackers and wild campers. I'm out doing some hammocking tonight and I'm testing out a new tarp. Let's get it set up, eh? It's by UniGear. Haven't got the ridgeline on it yet, but I have got one with me all ready to go. And I haven't even put the tie outs on it yet either. Now the reason I bought this one is because it's a little bit longer. I think this one was 350 centimeters, and some of the hammocks I've got are around 3 meters, 300 centimeters. So I wanted one a little bit longer. It does come with 6 aluminium pegs and a big bundle of tie out stuff. There we go, all set up. Quite happy with that. Now what you'll notice with this is it has a taper here, and it's the same on the other side too, and it's a little bit narrower across the very front and back. I'm not quite sure of the denier of the nylon. I'll put that on the screen now, probably in that corner there somewhere because it'll look good, right? But it is pretty robust stuff. I've had one of these before, never had any issues with it. There is a silvery interior that's meant to reflect heat. I don't know that I put a lot of stock in that. And then here, I think that'll show up. These are well taped seams, double stitched. So there should be no issues with waterproof. Not forecast for any rain tonight. But yeah, let's see what that's like, eh? There are, what have we got here? We've got 3 tie out points on either side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, there's at least another 4, barring the ridgeline one. So you could tie it out even further still, tie it down further still, and close these ends off if you wanted to. You could bring these in to create a bit more shelter if you needed to. Yeah, quite like that, as I say, and I like the fact it's 3.5 meters as opposed to 3 meters. So it's not quite as big as the 4 meter one, which I didn't really want, but it's big enough to cover the hammock. So this UniGear Tarp, no rainfall last night, but still, as I said yesterday, it's not going to be an issue because it is good quality nylon, and I've had one of these before and had it out in bad weather and it's been fine. One of the things I do quite like about this, compared to say the DD hammocks that I've got, with the DD the ridge line hangs across the top on hanging points that are on the top of the tarp, whereas this one goes underneath. And I quite like that because it gives you something to hang things onto when you're in the hammock. Although this was a little bit high, and I will create another one, but yeah, I quite like that. As I said before, I'm not sure I place any stock in the reflective inner. Nevertheless, it's not going to do any harm, is it? And these strong brass grommets here with strong tie outs, and they're stitched in and reinforced. So it's all pretty good. Yeah, I'm suitably impressed. I do really like the fact that it comes with 6 relatively decent pegs. They're aluminium, they're lightweight, and they've done the job. There has been quite a bit of rain in the night, but no issues with this tarp. It's done what it's supposed to do. But I've been nice and dry underneath here. Yeah. If you like this little field review and test, by all means give the video a like, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification, and then whenever you open up YouTube, you'll get a notification whenever I've uploaded a new video. Yeah, so I hope you like what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.